So I will demonstrate recursion in C++ by calculating the factorial of a number using a recursive function. Recursion is a powerful programming technique where a function calls itself to solve a smaller instance of the same problem, leading to concise and elegant solution for a certain types of a task. Recursion include IOStream. So to recursive function to calculate the factorial of a number in factorial int n, we need to encode this. And to recursive call to calculate n, we need also to encode this. Int main close and open parenthesis curly bracket int main int number is equals to 5, and let's leave a space. To calculate the factorial of the number using the recursive function int result is equals to factorial number. Let's encode int result is equals to factorial number, and we need to encode this. Factorial of number is result std, and don't forget to code return 0 and curly bracket for the end. And let's see. So yan, nag-run. Another example, if is 22, yun, okay na.